In case if the person to whom you are calling can't hear your voice, then what you do is press the volume up button to make sure that the volume is high in your iPhone. The next thing what you do is force restart your iPhone. So if you are using iPhone X, the first thing what you need to do is quickly press the volume up button, and then the second step is to press the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button for few seconds until the iPhone shuts down and you will see the Apple logo. So once the iPhone is force restarted, check if the other person can hear you. And the last thing what you can do is, there is a headphone jack at the bottom of the iPhone. Just clean the headphone jack with a small sharp needle to remove anything which is inside the headphone jack. If none of the method fixes the problem, then you need to take your iPhone to the technician. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.